So for that Kettle-Style teapot's handle, I need a coil that I'm going to extrude. And I'm going to use the extruder because I want the coil to be very even. I don't want there to be any inconsistency in it. What an extruder is, it's basically a giant Play-Doh factory, and it squeezes out a really consistent long piece of clay in whatever shape you've chosen. So I'm going to prepare the clay for the extruder. My extruder has a 4-inch round tube. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a long rectangular piece of clay. And then I'm going to need to even out these corners. I'm just going to hit it against the table. And once the corners are rounded out a little bit, I can pat this out. I want this piece of clay to be more narrow than the 4-inch interior of my extruder so that it'll slip into that shaft really easily. So now that I've got my clay prepared, I'm going to take it to the extruder and extrude some coils.